So, we go into this process. Okay? In other words, when I come in here, okay, you're sure that. Done. In other words, this is our entry. Okay? Entry. Entry. None. See? None. It comes in here, oh, that. None. See? It comes in, none. See that? None. So when I comes in here, I take it to the sides. You do that. None. See? None. So, all right. So when you are in that anchor zone, it's very difficult for the enemy to get in. Because as soon as it moves here, you are there already hitting him before this comes in. See? Oh, see that? Now, again. Okay, here, up, back. See that? So you have 100% sure that the contact of contact is already close. Now, if I'm going there, I'm going to attack you. Now, see, it holds. I hit again. You are to my back. See? I hit you there. Now, so meaning to say there is no safety move and a safety target on the Pekiti Tirsia second sandwich. Okay? All right. So now, none. All right. So when I comes in, none. See that? Now, I will do now. Now I come in. I control you. See? I come in. Whoop. See? I have a secret sermon. Pak, 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 oh. That is called the principles of B. You see that? The words of B. Yeah. In other words, the person that developed this has some kind of studies. All right. So, what I will do, we will go this way, okay? You just do the offense and the defense, okay? I slowly that, okay? Go, move around. None. Pak, 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 none. Dito pa. None. Okay, go, pass up. So, every move he makes is always a contact. Pak, pak, okay, now hit this one, hit this one. None, go, balik. None. Come in. Okay, good. So, meaning to say, you are mastering on the line that has been kept by the person as a trap. It comes in here, pak. See? It's there hit right away. Okay. But the difference is, I have also a counter. See? There is also a decision. So this area here are tracking hard. Now, so for purposes of gaining distances, we train this one here. That's it. No. See? Now, see? Now, meaning this purpose of this action is an area that you come in and I coming back. Coming back, none. See, none. So, I make it busy. I will make that. No, not yet. Continue. No, always this one. Don't do like this. Pak. Meaning, none. Meaning, that's the idea. Right? So, when you are coming, then coming there. Okay, so, okay. I want to go then. I come in, okay? I come in. Stop it. None. Stop it. Oh, come on, stop it. Continue. Oh, stop it. Stop it.
You want me to enter?
One. Okay, again. Stop it. Good. Stop it. Right. I come in. You must be there already. Pak. None. I come in. None. Okay. Now I will also use my defense. Okay? I will come into that area. Okay? No. So counter to counter. I come in, I shoot. So you know your target. None. All right. Pack. None. You counter that. See? So I do labor both. Come in. None. In other words, offer to offer. Yeah, offense to offense. Okay. So in the first target. None. Always obey. None. See? You have not going to stay. Right. All right, back. Oh. And I'm going. Go, okay, go. Back. Okay. None. That is very sure, okay? None. But you are only there, you have to be there. None. That is your safety point now. Okay? You are like a lightning. Pack. None. All right. You have to go to the area which is a safety party. Now, so the same thing, you go to the back of the enemy. And see? That's safe. Keep on going. Going to the front. Okay. You go back. No. Continue from there. They get touching that. Then up to no. Just continue. Pack.
Okay.
In other words, this thing will be going all over.
Okay, understood.
Pack, contact. Stop me.
I am doing.
None. Contact. None. Meaning that is round the baby. Okay? Because from that one, you are purposefully giving a raindrop of attacks. All right, so you have that. None. No, not that. No, you have to go there first. None. Go. Continue. Yeah, you're happy? Okay. But the smart is getting smart. See? Okay. All right, look at that, Okay. But I stop you there. I know that you are coming there. I stop you there. Say, come on. Oh, enter. None. Oh, come on. Enter. Go. Okay. Counter to counter. Meaning, I read your action. There is danger. Okay, so when I do that, pack. Oh, enter. Pack. Right. Oh, you are stepping there. None. That's good. Okay, come here again. See? You have not killed me.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was actually part of a larger class. This was the last class that we did on our recent trip to the Philippines with GT in Bacolod. And this was actually a larger master class on Pekiti in general. He was talking about the importance of being direct, the importance of committing, the importance of positioning, the importance of controlling the arms and laddering up. It was a masterclass on the principles of Pekiti Tirsia from the source. I will release the full lecture at some point when I feel the time is right here on YouTube. But for now, I'm going to keep it on our Patreon page. It's going to be part of the Ancient Arts Modern Warriors platform because again, it is a demonstration lecture on Pekiti Tirsia. However, if you would like to know more about the exclusive content that we offer on our Patreon page, on our YouTube memberships, please do check out the links in the description down below. A huge thank you to everybody on our YouTube memberships and everybody on our Patreon page. Thank you guys so much for your support. A lot of this would not be possible without your support, so thank you guys so much. Thank you GT for everything you've done and everything you continue to do. Thank you guys for watching. This video is really close to my heart and I hope that you guys got as much out of it as I did. Thank you for watching again and see you in the next video.